everybody, it's day 2 of reading time with ABI NR vlogs. Well, it's activity time for day 2. Let's get started. Time to play a game of who finds the letters. Okay, let's find the letters. Let's first get our shape. Let's get the circle. That's easy. I found one. Well, can you guys find one? Let's get this. I found one right there. Can you guys find one? Yep, right here. Can you guys want another one? There's one more. Yep, right here. Okay, let's go to our next activity. Oh, it's reading time, I guess. Let's get started. The mommy bear and the baby bear. Mommy bear liked to play with baby bear. Let's read again so you guys hear me. I'll give you a chance to read by yourself. Mommy bear liked to play with baby bear. She liked baby bear, and it is fun when she likes to play with baby bear. She always have to work. Baby bear hates that, so she told mom. Mom bear told mom bear to please play with me. Mommy bear told no. I have to work. But why? Asked baby bear. Just because. What's supposed to be there? A comma. No, said baby bear. Okay, forgot about the period and it ends, right? So, there we go. Okay. Okay. So, let's go to our next one. As you can see here, we have all this stuff. Have all this. That's a highlighted, right? So let's just highlight all those words. Highlight it. Sorry, I got outside. Let's just highlight all those words because we all need all those words, and it's in our question that we're gonna do next, as we did on part 1. Okay, next. So this is it. Why did baby bear hate mommy bear? Why? That's weird. Yeah, I still remember. Because mommy bear did not play. Okay. Why did mommy bear say no to baby bear? That's easy. Can you guys think? Because she was working. Okay. Well,